Ever reached for a cookie right after lunch or desperately needed something sweet around 4 p.m.? That's not a lack of willpower, it's a blood sugar crash. Today, we diving into a simple 3-ingredient drink that can help you kick those sugar cravings to the curb, all backed by solid science. So, why do these cravings happen? When you eat, especially something high in carbs, your insulin levels spike, followed by a rapid drop in blood sugar. This sudden dip triggers your brain's energy alarm, screaming for a quick sugar fix. When this happens day after day, it becomes a habit. Your brain literally gets trained to crave sugar at the same time, locking you in a cycle of fatigue and overeating. But what if you could break that cycle? A 2018 study found that stable blood glucose levels directly reduce the frequency and intensity of cravings. In other words, fewer snack emergencies. This is where our secret weapon comes in: apple cider vinegar. It contains acetic acid, a natural compound studied for decades for its metabolic benefits. A major 2019 review found that having vinegar before a meal can slash after-meal glucose spikes by up to 34%. Here's how it works. The acetic acid slows down how quickly your stomach empties. This means food, and the sugar in it, enters your bloodstream more gradually, preventing that sudden spike and crash. It also improves your body's insulin sensitivity, helping your cells use glucose for energy more efficiently instead of letting it float around as excess sugar. Now let's build our craving crusher drink. We'll start with apple cider vinegar, then add lemon juice. The citric acid in lemon also supports carbohydrate metabolism and adds a dose of antioxidants. To top it off, we'll use sparkling water. It gives you that satisfying fizz and sensory kick you might get from a can of soda, but with 0 calories and 0 sugar. Together, these three create a refreshing, effective substitute for sugary drinks. Ready for the recipe? It's incredibly simple. Just mix 1 cup of sparkling water with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and the juice from half a lemon. The best time to drink this is about 15 to 20 minutes before a meal or whenever those intense sugar cravings hit. A quick word of caution: don't need to drink apple cider vinegar straight or on a totally empty stomach. The acid can be a bit harsh on your throat and tooth enamel if it's not diluted. You don't need a crazy detox or a super strict diet to manage sugar cravings. Sometimes all it takes are a few smart, science-backed tweaks to your routine. Give this drink a try every day for a week. Track your energy levels and notice how much more stable you feel. You might be surprised at the difference it makes. For more science-based food hacks that actually work, make sure to subscribe to Bite Size Wellness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.